thought working out for 30 days would change my body, but the biggest change I have seen in my mind, my thoughts become clearer, stopped overthinking, I become so calm, so happy. So recently I was feeling very low and demotivated in my life. I was working on things which were not working on my favor. I was doing everything from my end, but the things I wanted were somehow not coming to me. So I was thinking, what are the things that I'm doing wrong? Why it's not working? I was overthinking like hell. I genuinely realized what overthinking really is in this year. Then one day I decide that if things are not working in my favor, it's not in my hand, and what's in my hand, that is that I can become better mentally and physically. And I started very simple thing. First, I decided to start working out, whether for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 40 minutes. I always looking for motivation to start working out, and what happens that motivation after some time just faded away, and I stopped working out. So this time do not look for motivation. I just thought I'll start, I'll see how things work, and let's see if I will be consistent or not. I started working out. I realized that all the overthinking I was doing is gone. I feel very lighter mentally, physically, and the most thing important thing is that I started feeling happy again. And these things you realize by yourself also, but when the other people feeling those things, that gave you the motivation to stay consistent. So people around me also started saying that you seems happy, you seems very active and very calm nowadays. So that was kind of validation for me that what I'm feeling is right. So now it gives me the motivation to stay consistent. And now it's been 2 months I'm working out daily. I Yes, I have not achieved the dream body that I wanted to, but I think 2 months is very less to achieve your desired body. But the changes I have seen in myself is, I think, way important. And I just want you people to do not look for the motivation, just start. Motivation will come along the way. And when you see the changes in yourself, in your mind, in your body, you want to do workout daily to feel that good about yourself. And trust me, I have gained weight in my last year. uh, I never realize how it affect your body and mind. Then I personally experience, because since I lost some weight, I feel very calmer, very light. And the irritation you feel sometimes for no reason is because that you do not like yourself to see in mirror. And I just realized this thing, that this is very important. If you're looking yourself into the mirror and you do not like yourself, it will affect your mental and physical health in a way that you can't even imagine. I have gone through this, and I have just come to this conclusion that these small things affect very badly your mind, in your confidence, and the things you want to do in life automatically go away from you, because you are not in your confident self. You do not feel that you deserve things or you look good. I always think that people say workout changes this, that, and I always think that uh, maybe they just say it do not affect that much. But recently, I myself experienced it, and the change you see in your mind, that is amazing. That will push you to work on daily basis, and then you automatically your body will also look good, and then you automatically started feeling good about yourself, and your surrounding becomes more calmer and quieter to yourself, because when you feel good about yourself, uh, you produce that kind of energy that people around you can feel and sense that energy of you. So yes, if you are starting to work out and looking for motivation, just start, and in the process you will realize what changes you'll see in your mind and body, and all the motivation will come along, and you do not need any outer motivation to get started. Thank you.